Epic moment. Let's look. Happy Valley right now is looking pretty doom and gloom, but look at those trees. My gosh, the color is amazing. I hope we have enough battery to get me through everything I need to do today. Just styrofoam, oh my gosh. I hate it when people drive my car. Turn off my automatic, I was gonna say sprinklers. My doctor said that's aphasia. My other doctor said that's just a sign of getting old. I don't know, because I'm not a doctor. I don't like either of them. Yes, I'm letting you see Happy Valley. I have ridden and driven up this road since 1997. Happy Valley used to be so beautiful. Now it's congested and horrible, and I have the wrong contact in my eye. Damn it. Person standing there? Yes. I have the wrong contact in. I should probably take it out. Oh, much better. Well, at least I can see that that's a person. There we go, we're rolling. Shouldn't take too long to get to where we're going. I need to get this necklace off. If you ride a Harley, you can still wear pearls, right? Now, if any of you have ridden this route with me before, you know exactly where I'm going. Here goes our exit. It's almost been 3 months. So I've waited around 70 days, which would be 10 weeks. So yeah, 2.5 months. I've waited for this. And if it's not what I like, at least we're at a time of the year I can wait for another one. Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? There's the big flag. There's the name of the dealership it used to be. I think I can turn. Oh, I can turn. I can't see a damn thing. I can't turn. My body won't move. I'm glad I have indicators on my mirrors so I know traffic is around. It's pain. I should start counting down. I need like a TikTok. Oh, there is. Not like a TikTok, but woohoo! Look what girl has! Look at that massive flag. Oh my gosh, that bike is so beautiful. I'm gonna look at motorcycles while I'm here. You think I should leave with a new one? Let's go, people. Pretty. Epic moment. Let's look. This is Jerry, guys.
Shake the box.
I know, there's probably nothing in it.
Okay.
Just styrofoam, oh my gosh. Oh. And the angels sing. My goodness. Oh my God, guys. Look how amazing this is. Yes. Saddlemen. You okay, dudes? Oh, a little pocket. It'll go.
Well, it's not that everybody's watching if you're not a film.
Saddlemen will appreciate it. Saddlemen will appreciate it. They're awesome. Oh my gosh. And is that beautiful or what? Wrap her back up so we can go home. Yeah, baby's going home with me. Oh, baby, look at that Saddlemen tape.